Hey guys, Guacamole here, back with another LEGO MOC. Today we'll be looking at Spex Mark II. This is, much like the first Spex, in upgrade form, but this time for green and yellow that I showed off the last time. Um, this is definitely the most blocky of the specs I've done. But I still think he looks pretty neat. We'll get a better look at his face. He's a cute little dude. He's got small legs, but big, big arms. He's ready to kick butt, punch people. And they can move 360 all the way up like this. His legs can move side to side. That's it. And then he's got a big backpack. It's fine, whatever. Don't worry about it. And then for his accessory, he has this big gun that he can hold that has 2 barrels on it, and then like a scope that he can look out of. Not the best weapon ever, but it does its job. We'll get him in his hyper mode real quick. It's pretty simple. It's an afterthought, much like the first Hyperspecs battle mode, not hyper mode, battle mode. You just cover up his face like that, and then you're gonna get this off the bottom, this off the side, and then you're essentially just going to pop it together like that, and then not like that. Oops, we're struggling here. Then just pop it. Wait, no. I did that wrong. I did that completely wrong. Oops. There we go. Like that. And then you just kind of stick this on the back like that. And then you have his hyper mode. It's probably the worst of them all. But whatever. It's fine. It does its job. We're going to get him ready for transformation. So first things first, we're going to take off the accessory. We're going to put it aside for right now. We're going to also just split apart these pieces again. And then take this piece off the back. Going to take this piece off, put it to the side, take off the arms, put it to the side. You're going to be hearing that a lot. Take off the yellow parts of the leg, put them to the side, and then take these leg pieces off and put them to the side. Okay, oops, that's not supposed to come off. You stick that on for now. We're gonna get yellow first, because it's the majority of the pieces. You're actually going to take off this accessory. You're then going to first take off the arms, and then stick them on the wings like that. Let's straighten out the disc piece like that. There we go. Going to then pop off the top piece here for this headpiece, and you're then going to stick it on the top of the piece from that. Stick it to the side for right now. Put these pieces on the legs, and then we're going to start with our new arms. Like that. And like that. Then flip out the wings. Pop in the accessory pieces claw. Then for the gun, going to simply take the end piece off and stick that in there for that. Oh, it's a lot of weight. And lastly, put on the new head for Hyper Yellow. And I'm really happy with how this guy turned out. We got the gun, got the claw, and got a lot more armor, and then the wings are a little bit bigger. So I really like how he turned out. So now we are going to get green and turn it into hyper green. Green is taller, so let's get tripod ready. There we go. First things first, we're going to take off this piece. What the heck? I'm missing a piece. Oh, it's right here. The white piece. It goes on the back of the head that covers the eyes. I guess it was over here. Put it on like that. Now, going to take the legs of Hyper Mark II, and they're going to become shoulder pieces. Like that and like that. Going to get the old piece from Just does not want to work with me today, huh? That's fine. That's how it is working with Legos. You're gonna take this piece, the gold piece, and you're gonna put it right here. Then you're going to take this piece, it's going to become the new faceplate. Put that on like this. Then you're going to put this piece on to become a crown. And lastly, you're going to take this piece from the gun, put it on the claw to become a sword. And now you have Hyper Green, which takes on a kingly appearance. Because I wanted to go with the whole shield aspect and kind of turn it into like a medieval type of thing. So now it's got its sword and its shield. It's bulkier armor piece. Oh wait, I completely forgot. I don't know why I thought we were done already. Take these pieces off of the original. I don't know what was going on with me there. Going to put them on the legs. Wow, that was a big brain fart. Anyway, for that. And then you're just gonna simply stick him on the back. For the worst backpack of them all, but I couldn't think of anything else to do. Whatever, it's fine. And here you have Hyper Green. Really love how this guy turned out. Like I said, wanted to take a more medieval thing, so he's a king now. And I really like how it turned out. I just think it's really, really neat. I'm trying to... There we go. Here they are together. I think they're really, really cool together. I think green's probably my favorite. And now we're just gonna try and fit blue and red in here. For all your Hyper Specs, I think they look awesome together. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this scuffed video like always. I appreciate you for watching. Thank you, and I will see you in the next MOC video. Guacamole are out. Messed up there. Let's try that again. Guacamole out.